हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू मानसी की पाठशाला। मैं हूं मानसी और ये है मेरी पाठशाला जहां एवरी वेडनेसडे हम आपके लिए लाते हैं एक न्यू वीडियो एंड हम लर्न करते हैं कुछ न्यू एक्टिविटीज़। अगर आपने पहले के एक्टिविटीज़ मिस कर दिए हैं तो लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वो देखो और वो एक्टिविटीज़ करो, आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा। इस वीक की एक्टिविटी में हम करने वाले हैं मैचिंग एक्सरसाइज या मैचिंग गेम। इट्स अ वेरी फन गेम। So what is matching exercise? Matching exercise होता है when we find two things that look similar. How can two things look similar? They can look similar. They can look similar in color. They can look similar in shape. See, this is a round shape. They can look similar in size also. See, both of them are the same size. And they can also look similar in design. Look, I have two socks and both the socks are the same design. If I was to wear this socks in one foot and this socks in the other foot, are my socks matching? No, I have to wear either these two or I have to wear these two to make sure that what I am wearing is matching. So matching exercise is very simple and it will help you learn how to segregate similar things. So are you ready to play the game with me? Matching game can be played just sitting anywhere and it can also be played with pen and paper. But today let's play it in a way that we are just sitting anywhere and playing the matching game. First we will do matching game with shapes. So I have taken two pieces of each shape. I have two triangles, I have two squares, I have two rectangles and I have two circles. Now what I'll do is that I will create two rows and keep one piece of each shape in each of the rows. So I kept a triangle, I kept a rectangle, I kept a round which is circle and I kept a square. This is my first row. In the second row, I'll keep the remaining pieces, but I will make sure that the same piece is not in front of the other piece. Like in front of triangle, I will keep rectangle. In front of rectangle, I will keep a circle. In front of circle, I kept a triangle, and in front of square, oops, I made a mistake. So I'll keep a triangle in front of square and square in front of circle. Okay. Now my little babies, what I want you to do is, I want you to help me match the right shape. Okay. So the shapes in the first row will need to be matched with the shapes in the other row. So like the first piece is a triangle, you need to find the matching shape in the other row. Where is my triangle? This is a rectangle, this is a circle, this is a square and this is a triangle. So my shapes are matching and I'll keep them together. Now my second shape is a rectangle. Where is a rectangle? This is a square, this is a circle and this is a rectangle and they are matching. Now my third shape is a circle. This is a circle, but where is the circle? This is a square and this is a circle and this is matching. And my last shape is a square, so I put the square and square together and this is matching. So this is how I was able to match the shapes. Now let's quickly go on to socks. Now the second game is with socks. See, I have different socks that my baby wears and what I'm going to do is I am going to again create two rows where I will put one piece each of the socks. Now I want you to match the socks by design. Can you look at this? The design of these two socks is the same. So they are matching. Is this and this socks the same? No. So they are not matching. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And similarly on the other row, I will put the socks, but the same socks should not be in front of each other. So I'll put a black one here, I will put this here, I will put this here and I will put this here. Now my little children, I want you to match the socks which have the same design, exact same color and exact same size. So this is my first socks, and what does it match with? Not this, not this, not this, maybe this. Yes, the design is matching, the color is matching, and look, the size is also matching. So this is a perfect match. Similarly, this is the second socks. I found it. This is the third socks. Look how properly it's matching. And this is the fourth socks. So this is how you can teach your little babies how to match two things that are identical in color, in design, and in size. And the third one is also a fun game, but in this I will not make two rows. You know what my mama did? Mama went for grocery shopping. She brought all these things and she's left them on the table, and mama is saying, can you match the things which are same and give it to me so that I can put them in the right place? So I think this lemon is matching with this lemon. Let me quickly go and give it to mama. I think this potato is going to match with, no, this is yellow, this is brown, no, this is green, this is brown, this is also brown, and this looks like a potato also. So they are matching. Now I will match. What are these, children? These are bananas, my favorite. They make us so strong. So this is again matching. And this mama gets for me in summers because cucumbers are so good for summers. So this is also matching. See how easily I made life so easy for mama. Everything is matched, sorted, and given to mama. So my little babies, I really hope you enjoyed today's activities. ये तो बहुत simple चीज़ें थी, but whatever you have in your house, ask mama and dada to get everything, put it on a table and ask you to match. Match with color, match with shape, match with size, match with design. Whatever, you can play this game in so many different ways. And for parents, this is a very, very interesting game if played in the right way. Something as basic as a box of Legos can be given to children and they can be told to just start matching the similar pieces and start putting them together and start sorting them. They will love to do it. It's an activity that will make them sit down in one place. They'll be engaged for longer. Similarly, you can do this activity with chalks, with a lot of sketch pens. So whatever you have in your house, do it with that. Whenever you come back from your grocery or fruit shopping, after you've sanitized everything, just put everything on the table and let children help you pick the pieces or the things that are matching. It's a great way to teach them about so many things and also help them do it in a fun way. Now, after they get used to doing it in a play way, you can do these matching exercise on a paper also, and matching exercise start from beginner to advanced. You can find so many things online. I'll also try to bring this for you. Kabir loves doing matching exercises. So hope that you enjoyed it. Comment and let me know how did you like this week's activity. Whenever your children are doing it, just click a picture and post it on Instagram. Send us a message. We would love to post it on our stories. And do subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss a notification. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. See you.